Ever wonder what's actually in your tap water? Beyond the surface, a hidden world of microscopic impurities exists. Today, we look inside the science of reverse osmosis to see how we transform tap water into clinical-grade purity.
Scale-free life. Mineral solutions for home water.
The journey begins at the source. Stage 1, the sediment housing. Here, a dense polypropylene mesh physically traps large particles like rust and silt. Next, the water enters the carbon phase. Watch as activated carbon granules magnetically bond with chlorine gas and organic chemicals, neutralizing odors at a molecular level. Now, the heart of the system, the reverse osmosis membrane. Under high pressure, water molecules are forced through a semi-permeable film. The scale here is microscopic. Dissolved solids and contaminants are rejected and diverted to the drain, while only the purest H2O sweats through to the central core. This is separation at the highest level. This purified water travels to the reservoir. As the tank fills, it compresses a specialized air bladder, building hydrostatic pressure. When the system reaches 40 psi, the automatic shutoff valve senses the balance and snaps closed, entering a standby state of total efficiency. The moment you turn the faucet, that stored energy is released. One final pass through the post-carbon polishing filter ensures a crisp, refreshing profile, from 250 parts per million down to near zero. This isn't just filtered water, it's engineered purity. Modular by design and easy to maintain. Simple, scientific, and essential for your home. Experience the clarity of reverse osmosis.